hiking nicely along. Probably haven't gone too far, probably only gone like a mile or something. But, well maybe a mile and a half. But it's steep and it's fun. And it's beautiful out, beautiful weather. It's it's a little cloudy, not hot. I'd say it's like 70 degrees. And just a beautiful day for hiking. And the terrain is also beautiful. Lots of beautiful. Making my way up. Pretty sure I just gotta go up and over. Pretty out there. Discovered that I really like the hiking poles. Make it much easier. Morning. Beautiful day.
Yeah, it is perfect. Not too hot.
No. Oh, thanks.
Go ahead.
Appreciate it.
Were you spending the night up there?
Yeah, over at the Blue Creek.
Okay.
Yep.
Cool. Have fun.
Thank you. Where'd you guys come from?
We just did a day hike.
Oh,
up Every Peak.
Oh, awesome.
Yeah. Have fun.
Thanks. Have a good one. There's also quite a few people up here. Beautiful day. I just climbed up some kind of sketchy area, which in retrospect probably shouldn't have done, but I wanted to come up here and just sit and relax because I have a ton of time, because I only have to walk another like 2.5, 3 miles and it's noon, so got plenty of time. I wanted to spend some time with it up here in the pretty. Now I scrambled up this over here. looks like it burnt not too long ago, maybe a year ago or something. Scrambled up, and then I think without my backpack I'd be perfectly fine. Well, I'm gonna be fine anyway, but I'll be more cautious because I have my big heavy backpack on going back down. I'll have to slide some on my butt. Hopefully I don't get stabbed by too many cacti. Just got to my campsite. I am pretty pooped. Feeling good though. Happy to be at my campsite. Give you a little tour around the campsite. So this is what I see coming in. BL2, Blue Creek 2. I have a nice little spot for my tent. And a bear box. Thankfully I don't have to hang my stuff, which is nice. I got a little bit of shade, some trees, all good things. A little out of practice with my schnozzle. There we go. Look, I don't know if you can see, but it's already got fish eyes at the bottom, which is insane. Ooh, it smells good. It smells really good. And I let this sit. Morning. I really love these big boulders and trees. Temperature doesn't really get much better than this.